Good morning, all of you. I am Razia Khattam from Language Vidyapith Standard 5th Subject Maths. Unit number 2, worksheet number 7. In that worksheet, students, question number 2. Question number 2 is point out the arrow. Point out the errors in the following division. Operation. Then they solve the correctly. Correctly. In that, first one portion is like that 4284 divided by 40. So in that 36 is there, minus 42, then 0, then we're bringing down here 8, bringing down 8, 84, and then here is a 0. So students, we have to now in the second box like this, so here first of all we have to do the division sums. And then we'll get the answer 4284 divided by 40 is that. So 43 twos are 43, 14 threes are 42, 14 threes are 42, 2 minus 2 0, 4 minus 4 0. Now we're bringing down here 8. So students, in that division is not possible, so we'll put here 0, and again we're bringing down here 4. Now 84 is there, so 14 6 are 84, 84 is there. 4 minus 4 on your finger, got 4, 1 2 3 and 4, so remaining number is here 0. 8 minus 8 on your finger, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, got 8, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, so remaining number is a 0. So students, our answer is 306, correct answer. This one is a wrong answer. This is a wrong and this one is a right. So like that you have to do. So now students, I'll give you 1 minute so you have to complete your work. Okay students, I hope your work is complete. Now we'll start second one sum. B1 sum is there. So in that sum there is a written like that 5,529 divided by 95 is there. Then minus 475, 779, bringing down here 9, then minus 760, answer is 19. 779 minus 665 minus 665 is there, so answer is 140. Answer is 140 is it. Then we have to draw here one box. Now we have to write the correct answer here. (5,529) divided by 95. Divide by 95. 95 5s are 475. Now 2 minus 5 is not possible. Cut 5, write there 4. Cut 2, write here 12. 12 minus 5. 12 on your finger. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Cut 5. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Remaining number is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we have to write here 7. 4 minus 7 is not possible. Cut 5. Write there 4. Cut 4. Write here 14. 14 minus 7. 14 on your finger. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 13, 14. Cut 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Remaining number is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. We have to write here 7. 4 minus 4. 4 on your finger. Cut 4. 1, 2, 3 and 4. So we have to write here 0. Now students, we'll bringing down here 9. We'll bringing down here 9. So our next number is a 779. 95 8s are 760. So in that 9 minus 0 9. 7 minus 6 1. 7 minus 7 0. So our answer is 58. So this one sum is wrong and this is a correct one. This is a correct one. Now students, I'll give you 1 minute to write it down the sums in your maths notebook. Okay students, I hope your work is complete. Now we'll start next sum, C1 sum. Now students, we will start C1 sum. So there is a sum like that. 203 is a portion. 76, 1748 is there. Then minus 152, so we'll get the answer 228, and then minus 228, so 0 is there. So now students, we have to write the correct answer here. Now 76 divide by 1748, 72, 76 twos are 152, 4 minus 2, 4 on your finger, cut 2, 1 and 2, remain number is a 1 and 2, we have to write here 2, 7 minus 5, 7 on your finger, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, cut 5, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, remain number is a 1 and 2, so we have to write here 2, 1 minus 1, 0. Now 22 is a smaller number than the 76, so we'll bringing down here 8, so our next number is a 228, our next number is a 228 is there, but 228 is there, so 76 threes are 228, 8 minus 8, 8 on your finger, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, we'll cut 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, so remaining number is a 0, 2 minus 2, 0, 2 minus 2, 0. Now students, here is the answer difference is 23 and here answer is 203 is there. So whenever we'll do the division, now here 22 answer is there, we'll bringing down 8. So no need to put the 0 on the quotient. That's the reason answer is 23. So this sum is wrong and this one is a correct one. Now students, I'll give you a 1 minute, so you have to complete your work. Okay students, I hope so your work is complete. Now we'll start next sum, D1 sum. So students, D1 sum is (12) divided by 3630. Answer is here 32. Then minus 36, 0, 30, minus 24 and 6 is there. Now students, so this one will check this sum is correct or not. So we have to draw here one box. In that box, 12 divided by 3630. So 12 threes are 36, 6 minus 6, 0, 6 on your finger, let's check that, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, cut 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, so 6 minus 6, 0, 3 minus 3, 3 on your finger, cut 3, 1, 2 and 3, so 3 minus 3, 0, now we'll bringing down here 3, so division is not possible, 12 is a 3 is a smaller number than 12, so we'll put the quotient 0, then again we'll bringing down here 3, 0, so next number is a 30, 12 twos are 24, we have to write here 24, then 4 minus 0 not possible, cut 3, write here 2, cut 0, write here 10. 10 minus 4, 10 on your finger, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, cut 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, remain number is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, so we have to write here 6. 2 minus 2, 2 on your finger, cut 2, 1 and 2 will cut, so remaining number is a 0. So now students, here is what is the difference? The answer is 302. That one is a correct one and this is a wrong one. Okay, this one is a wrong one. Now students, so how you identify these things? So 12 3s are 36, 0 is there when we will bringing down 3, so smaller number is there, so here is a not result 0, but we are doing here put the 0 because of the division is not possible. Then we'll bringing down 0 and then we'll get the answer 302. Now students, I'll give you 1 minute, so you have to write this in your maths notebook. Okay students, I hope your work is complete. Now students, your homework is you have to complete the worksheet number 7. In that worksheet, question number 2 you have to complete it and send it to me homework before 1:30 in a WhatsApp group. You have to complete your homework before 1:30 and send it to me in a WhatsApp group. There are only 4 sums that already we are done here. Sum number A, B, C and D. That sums you have to complete it and send it to me as a homework in a WhatsApp group before 1:30. I hope so students your work is complete. Bye everyone.